Sanibonani ke ubungibolo Ndlovukazi ngiza nendaba wona uzana nini endlebe namhlanje ke sizokhuluma istory sikamngani wethu. Umngani wethu uyangena la uthi Bongwe yo angikaze ngisibone isigemegeme sento engaka. Uthi yazi ngisole ngisho umgodo ocucasha emsebenzini ngisaba nokuthi ama colleagues ami ngisiwabuka kanjani ngekanankana yesigaxa. Uthi ngiyazi ukuthi akekho umuntu owaxoxela lezi story nami ngiyasixoxa ngoba ngifuna ukukhipha something esifubeni sami. Ngithi mina khuluma mngani hlala phezukwazi. Nami mangisifunda bengilongithi okay. Umngani wethu uthi enene a young lady esebenza e-restaurant ethile nje uthi ngiseva ukudla kuleyo restaurant leyo. Uthi you know yabona uma useva ukudla kwi-restaurant you always meet abantu abaningi abahlukene inhlobo ngeinhlobo zabantu, but because mina bengiyazi imotive yami ukuthi ngisebenze la because I've tried mangifike eGoli ukuthi ngifuna umsebenzi ngawutholi, so the only place I could find umsebenzi was a restaurant. Ngithiza nayo umngani athi then so one day ngithe ngibusy ngiseva ama clients kungene amanye ama client eze angene athi afuna itafula, so ngibakhombise itafula ngisho ukuthi bangahlala lapha labo bhuti laba babe u2. Uthi ngibakhombise itafula abahlale phansi bese ngiyabatshela ukuthi ngizoza ngizobaseva. I'm still dealing with amanye ama clients because the restaurant yethu was very busy that day. Nangempela ke umngani wethu uthi ke agcine eseqedile kulabo bese yahamba kayobanika incwadi zemenu to show them ukuthi enene bazodlani bafuna ukudlani bamtshele bese eyabuza bazophuzani while she's still waiting for them to tell her ukuthi bazodlani. Ahamba yobalandela ama drinks abuye azobeka la. Uthi obhuti bakhona nje like normal men hayi ukuthi uzothi hey cha bahle obhuti cha insizwa nje is normal. Uthi ke lo munye ulokhu nje wenza ama jokes inyana amancane while I'm serving them wenza ama jokes ngesikhathi sengiletha ama drinks. Uthi so unjani sisi? Uthi nje I'm like I'm good and anginakanga because I was very busy emsebenzini ngalelo langa nje kwakugcwele ngempela. Hayi nangempela uyasuka uGayi ba-order ukudla balethele futhi ukudla uGayi abese yasho ukuthi how sisi you really beautiful bangikubona ngikubuke nje ngakuthanda. Uthi ugela bese ethi but mina ngibhizi kakhulu I really don't have time, and uthi in a sense that akakhulumi kabi naye ukhuluma njengokuthi nje uyamhlonipha ukuthi yo I don't have time for ukushela right now I'm so busy. uGayi bese ethi enene okay ngiunderstand ukuthi ubusy bengisacela ungiphi inamba yakho ngizokufonela later. Uthi I did give him my number but bengimnika just so that azongiyeka you know because I knew ukuthi if ngimnika number plate or number wrong uzoyifonela la bese lokho ephinde nginaka. At that time I was very caught up with work. I didn't need someone ozoloku engiphazamisa. Uthi angimnika inamba yami then bahambe. Uthi benze ibhili baqede badle baqede and then uGayi umshaya ngenja yetip, but it wasn't a lot, but I mean it was a lot compared to the food that they ate. So uGayi washaya itip ka 200 rand. Uthi I was like okay I guess uGayi yangitipha you know and stuff like that. Ngithatha ithipu and ngiqhubeke ngenza umsebenzi wami uGayi ahambe abese engithumelela imessage later. I took a break ngihamba ngaye toilet, so mangicheck ifone yami yazi ke mawusebenza restaurant awukwazi ukuthi uvele ube sefonini, you have to sneak out uhambe kube ngathi uye bathroom uyochama so that you can be able to check the phone. Mangithi ngiya-check ifone, yeah the guy did send a message uthi enene when is she free so that azokwazi ukuthi angifonele. Nangempela ugela uthi enene ngimphendule ngithi mina I'm gonna be free round about 7. Ake uGayi bese ethi okay later mawusufika endlini please just send me a text ngizobe sengiyakufonela. Nangempela ugela sebenza that day it was very busy. Uthi was so busy emsebenzini makafika ekhaya she forgot to send a message kumfana because she was so tired she fell asleep. Okay uthi ngakusasa umfana bese thumelela usawubona good morning. Uthi ngithi mina hi ngimphendule bese ngiyamtshela ukuthi you know yesterday I was so tired, I was overworked emsebenzini ubusy kakhulu so I didn't get a chance to ukuthi ngikubhalele ngitshela sengifikile endlini. Athi umfana no problem abese athi and then let me know when you can call me. Athi and then you can call me because ngiqala ishift yasemini. Nangempela fona umfana as introduce umfana uphume Eastern Cape, umfana useGoli, umfana naye uzozama eGoli, and now he's an Uber driver, so he's driving nje Uber for now up until naye athole something tangible as umsebenzi. umfana unometric umfana unometric unometric so ufuna umsebenzi. Okay, but it's not uthi umfana he's okay with being an Uber driver for now because at least iyakhokhela ama bills. Uthi nje ngibona ngathi siku same situation no guy and ngiyabona ukuthi okay kusho ukuthi uguy right isixoxe kodwa like ukuthi hayi ukuthi sengiyamthemba phela ukuthi sengifuna ukujola naye but uzoqhubeka nje saxoxa just to get to know him. And then later uguy wang video caller after ngibuye emsebenzini we talked uthi sakhuluma isikhathi eside bongiwe uthi kwaphela hours and hours like we were talking up until it was time for me to sleep. Ngamtshela ngathi baba ayisavalelisana na nje so kwaba into yeinsuku njalo imihla ngemihla ukuthi siyakhuluma nalo guy. Uthi sihambe isikhathi bongiwe uguy sometimes because he's a Uber driver because emsebenzini sometimes besiphuma ebusuku kakhulu and sometimes imoto cause emsebenzini kune staff car ejwayele ukubahambise bathatha ibabuyise sometimes ejwayele mayingekho ke umuntu kufuna kazama ukuthi uwenze njani uqhushunuza ukuthi aye emsebenzini. Uthe from time to time because bengifila nami ukuthi yazi ngumedem because my guy is driving an Uber so a guy would call me and say no today I'm going to drive you to work. Sometimes ebusuku angipick it up masiphuma ebusuku sine shift ebusuku and uguy was not a person like who was really rushing me ukuthi ngenze izinto ezithile naye cha wengangijaha nje ukuthi senze izinto ezihlangene nocansi waye umuntu nje like who was very loving and kind nje eza nje ngokuthi like he wants to build something with me ukuthi sijoleke no guy. I started introducing uguy to my friends ngam-introducer uguy kubangani bami abangani bami bamthanda. Uthi I started introducing uguy to my family because sengimdala I didn't want to have a boyfriend la ngizomfihla khona abazali bami ngakwazi ukubatshela ngaye so ekhaya futhi we just an open book we talk about these things especially because sengimdala. Uthi introduce kubazali bakhe and nje it wasn't like a deep introduction but washo ukuthi nangumuntu engijola naye kanje so that abazali bakhe bazi ukuthi makangeke ekhaya usuke kuphi. Okay, uthi time went by yaphela siyakudla nje uthi yazi we are moving and it's move nje not even fast lane but we are just moving nje siyamove kancane nomfana wami sisi right nje no baby wami si couple nje a grand nje and nami ngiyazizwa ukuthi man no man you know I haven't met umuntu ofana naye uyanginakekela unothando unenhliziyo enhle unama jokes nje uguy mostly izinto athanda ukukhuluma ngazo uhlala ekhuluma ngekhaya he has family kubo yimina kuphela who hasn't met his family but I've spoken to his sister on WhatsApp with video call. So uyasho ukuthi umuntu ophuma Eastern Cape and nje kubo uyachaza ukuthi umuzo njani umuzo nemfuyo abantu nje aba right like not ukuthi baphuwa but they are okay emakhaya because banemfuyo bayalima nje kunjalo nje baphila impilo yasemakhaya and he is a person nje who's very proud of ukhulela emakhaya and you know ezindoda. And so he started telling me ukuthi one day simasixoxa kanjani ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngizohamba ngiyomitha abazali bakhe se kuzomela ngelinye ilanga maybe as if a relationship yethu iba ngconywana then uzoqala ngilobole and then ngiyomitha abazali bakhe Eastern Cape. Okay, excited. Wafika uDecember. Mawufika uDecember bana 5 months bejola. Angisho ugeli kuphela owazi abantu bakageli kuphela bazintomba umfana ngala waziwa usisi kuphela. Wafika uDecember uguy kumele agoduka ekhaya ugeli naye uyayigodukela uyiyela kubo Soweto. Okay, uthi ugeli ke ngigoduke ngekhaya umfana agoduke naye Eastern Cape usizitshela ukuthi okay sizobonana ngoJanuary nami mase ngibuyela emsebenzini naye mase buyela ekushayeleni uba yakhe. Then umfana makagoduka ngoDecember kuphele izinsuku nje uyangifonela siyafonelana usefikile Eastern Cape kuphele izinsuku kuphele until kuze kwenzakale isigameko sokuthi umfana abe viral on social media. Uyeza part 2. Hayi ke ngoku umfana kwaDecember ke wagoduka umfana waya emakhaya umfana kuyaphuza umuntu ophuzayo nje, but not ukuthi isidakwa, but nje uyaba tips because uthi umngani wethu uGuy sometimes they would go out together bafike baphuze and uGuy aphuze, but he was just the responsible drinker. Uthi ke bahleli ke ba enjoy uDecember, na enjoy uDecember kubo, bayafonela noGuy kuthi ngelinye ilanga uGuy nje kuthuleke ngomhla ka25 kuthuleke uGuy umgcido ngokumfonela eksena amtshela ukuthi ubusy, and then bese kuyathuleka emva kwalokho kuthuleke nje angafoni angasho lutho kuthuleke nje. Uthi kuyabe umngani wethu ungena WhatsApp ovela ku friend wakhe, uthi ufriend mngani ngicela uye ku social media uyobheka ku Facebook nangu uSibari viral. Athi umngani wethu, what do you mean uviral? Ahambe ayobheka. Yes, ahambe umngani wethu avule uFacebook wakhe, makafika uzama ukuyobheka ubheka uSibari ukuthi waya viral, angayithola ivideo aphumelele back umngani wakhe athi ngicela ungithumelele ilink yaleyo video le viral kaSibari. Nangempela amthumelele ivideo uSibari ukuphi usema endaweni la kuluswa khona, uSibari ulele nembuzi. Ubanjwa amadoda endawo, they are confronting him kanye namakhosikazi endawo ukuthi umfana kaSibanibani uyenzani, uyenzelani leyo nto leyo. Athi uthi umfana uyawaraza, bayamshaya, bayambhaxa ngenduku, bayambhaxa. Uthi ngibheke hayibo iboyfriend yami leshawayo guys, ishawela ukuthi ilala nezimbuzi. Uthi hayi ukuthi mhlambe bamfice seqedile bambamba oqotsheni. Uthi bayambuza, bayamthethisa, bayambuza ukuthi kungcola kuni lokho akwenzayo. Uthi khona lapha evidweni kuze kuthiwe enene akhanje kuyolandwa ifamily yakhe, because ubonwe umuntu abantu ade bedlula esigangeni la alusa khona. Kuhanjwe kuyolandwa uma wakhe kuthiwa wekheqile ongezansi. Kuyona leyo video uthi siphithiphithi uyashawa nje, uyashawa. Uthi bese ngiyathula ngingasho lutho. Mangibona leyo video nginyanye, and I told my sister, usisi wami kwawuyena utshela abazali bami, because uthi I was too embarrassed to be the one who's breaking the news kubazali bami, because kwamngani wami mangitshela ubonile ukuthi ubesaba akakwazanga ukuthi angitshele direct, uthi angihambe ngiyoyibonela. Uthi I was so embarrassed because ngizobakhombisa kanjani abazali bami ukuthi lo mfana ade ngijula naye 5 months ago ulala nezimbuzi. Uthi okay fine, batshela abazali bakhe, abatshela ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe unewele. Abazali bakhe bamduduza bathi mhlawumbe uGuy une-twin, mhlawumbe kufana kwabantu awukume kancane, sizobona uGuy masebuya emaXhoseni ukuthi like what's going on. Nangempela uGeli abesethi ke ngikwazi ukulinda afone uGuy is not picking up the phone. Afone uGuy is not picking up the phone. Amyeke ushaya uNew Year, afone futhi nangomhla ka31, afone uGuy is not picking up the phone. And these people abantu ababe communicate every day, uGuy akapick up ifone. Afone uGuy pick up inhlobo ifone azagcina uGeli. Uthi I'm heartbroken, I'm shocked, I've just seen something engakaze ngicabanga ukuthi emadala ejuteni ngiyoke ngiyibone, ngibona umuntu engithandana naye kube yilo ongithandana naye ke, kube uye lo umngani wethu. Uthi ngizengcine sengimdubile ngizitshela ukuthi ngingisamfonela lo Guy, like ngisakhuluma naye because ngizokhuluma ngithini, and akali pick up ifone. Uthi athule, uthi kudlula isikhathi ushawu January uphele umfana akatholakali, uzukuze ubuFebruary. KuFebruary uyamfonela umfana uthi and then usebuyile eGoli ucela babonane, they need to talk. Thekela ngikho into engizokhuluma nawe wena Saturday 19 olala nezimbuzi. Uthi umfana athi no, we need to talk. Uthi ngathi nje uthi angikaze ngize ngimthuke kanje, ngamthuka ngashiye ngingalazi ngaqede ngadrop ifone. Uthi umfana mina mase ngibuyele emsebenzini abantu basemsebenzini sebembonile umfana. Uthi the hard part when Bongiwe was for my colleagues to see the video and see ukuthi umfana kade enzani. And wonke umuntu emsebenzini bese nginhlekisa emsebenzini, wonke umuntu emsebenzini uyangibuza ukuthi hayibo guy wabusisi umuntu wakho ngempela lo kade la nembuzi ku Facebook. Uthi ngathi mina angimazi lo one. Uthi I kept on lying actually ngathi uGuy unewele. I kept on lying ukuthi uGuy unewele but ngagcina sengiphahlukile ngathi ya hayi uyena guy nami ngishokekile nje banishokekile like I don't know why my guy lala nembuzi. Kusho ukuthi uGuy ngelilanga because angisapick up ama call uthi bese nje into ehlekwayo nje emsebenzini makwenza ujoke nje ngami kuzo for umfana uthi nami bese ngiacceptile ifate yami because ngangizelela emsebenzini ukuzosebenza and ngiphoqelekile manje ukuthi ngihleke lento noma ingasahlekisi. It was one thing eyayinghetha and now I was even planning ukuthi enene ngizo relocate. I would just ask imanager yami if izokwazi ukuthi ingimove ingise komunye uNandosi. Unangampela imanager yakhe akhulume nayo ngelinye ilanga ahlale phansi nayo akhulume nayo ukuthi ucela imove imose eBramfontein. Nangampela ugirl amove eBramfontein. Guess ukuthi ubani oza eNandosi ozothenga ongazi ukuthi umngani wethu ula eBramfontein? uGuy. Uthi ngibona lo mfana uyangena like uneyingozi kodwa sezipholile but nje unemiqa nje ushayiwe la ebusweni unemiqa nje uneyingozi unanephaphamuza but into esipholile unemiqa yokushawa yakudala. He looks like the guy that I dated. Uthi ngithi ngiyabhekisisa hayi uyena. Uthi lingishawa lo like kube ngathi ngashiya. Uthi ngaso isikhathi ngangikule ndawo le ephekayo ebarbecue wayinyama. I wanted to exit ngiye ngemuva ngiyocasha. Uthi but kwangekho ucasha ngangikhona la. Umfana thenge uthi umfana naye angibone athuke. Umfana bese babaleke ubalekile bengasafuna ukungibona athuka umfana. Angasho lutho umfana. Uthi sahlukana kanjalo umfana wathula wangibuka nami ngambuka ukuthi please uzolinga ukhulume. Uthi luckily abantu they don't recognize him la kule nanto sengisebenza kuyona. They don't recognize him ukuthi lo guy lo way viral kwi video. Uthi so I just wanted to share my story guys ukuthi ya ngangajola nomfana. Uthi let me tell you into eyayingiyisa kakhulu ngalo mfana. Uthi like he was just a kind man and he wasn't someone who was pushy when it comes to sexual intercourse, but guess what, we did it eventually. Uthi mangimcabanga nembuzi ngacabanga ukungcola angcolisa ngawo ngoba phela it didn't seem like it was his first time. Laba on that video it didn't show ukuthi ngathi umfana uyaqala. It was like shooting ngesikhathi ehlale Eastern Cape esalusa imbuzi mhlambe kwakuyinto yakhe enhlala yenza because I don't think weqala ukuyenza le yanto leyana. And his explanation was he was drunk. Makangifonelile ngesikhathi ngimfonela engifonele ngitshela ukuthi usebuyile eGoli kufuna sibonane. His explanation was that he was drunk. Ucabanga ukuthi khona umuntu omspikele drink. And I thought that was a lie. And from then on angiphindanga ngambona. Nje bangizoxoxa lesi story. Uthi for sure nje ubusixoxa sesibonke istory uzokwazi ukuthi sikhuluma ngayo. Sanibonani ke ubonke Ndlovukazi ngiza nendaba wena uzanani nendlebe. Ngiyacela usubscribe ku YouTube channel yami, ungifollow ku Facebook ipage lami bese uqeda uya ku Instagram uyongifollow ubese ungifollow kuphi ku TikTok guys. I'm everywhere. Igama lami ubongiwe nje Ndlovukazi. Please ngicela ubuka ama-ad i-advert ungayimisi nje ungayiskip because that's how I get paid. Ngiyanithanda nginilethela zona zishisa, okay? Yo ngingenza nje ngithana nomfana wala nembuzi.